Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to play Hold On by Katy Nichole. This will be without a capo in the key of F. The chords needed for this are F, play the F like this, or you can do the F that's kind of like a C, or you can even play like this. Then you need a C, just your regular C, a D minor, and then a sharp or a B flat. You play like that, or you can also just do the power chord. So you will need two strumming patterns. So the first strumming pattern will be down, 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 up. So it's 5 or 6 downs with an up. So and when the song builds up in the chorus, and after that it will be down, 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 up, up, down, down, 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 up. For the intro, you need the chords F to A sharp or B flat, and you do that 2 times through, and it will be the down, 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 up pattern. So it'll sound like this. So what you're doing is you're doing a down strum for each time the piano is hit for the intro. So for the verses, all the verses are the same, and it's the same as the intro. So it's the F to A sharp, B flat, and you do that twice through, as I said before. The only difference is after the first verse, in the chorus and on, you got that down, down, up, down, up pattern. So that'll be the second and third, and however many verses there are. So for the chorus, you start out doing the same pattern as in the intro. So the F to the B flat and A sharp, you do that 2 times through, and then the third go around, you do F to C to D minor to C to B flat, A sharp, and then after that you do the F to B flat, F to B flat again for Hold On. And at the D minor to C to B flat part, what you do for the D minor and the C is you just do 2 down strums. So it will go. And then you go Hold On. Now lead into the second verse or even the bridge. So for the bridge, the chord progression is C to D minor to C to A sharp, B flat, and you do that 2 times through. And for that, it builds down, so from the chorus it built down a little bit. So what you're going to do is just do down strum, 1 down strum on each, and then it leads into the final chorus, which will be, it'll start, yeah. So for the final chorus, it will be the same as all the other choruses. So the F to A sharp, B flat, do that twice, and then you do the D minor and C. And for the first 2, F to A sharp, B flat, it's just doing down strums. And then on the next, after that, the F, the first F after that, it'll get back into the strum pattern that it usually has. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Hopefully this helps you out with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any song requests you'd like me to do, leave them in the comments and I'll look into them for you. Thank you.